Okay, so today is quite an interesting day. We are going to be installing a whole lot of machines at this location. Oscar is working on one right now. This is a cutter machine from Mutoh. And this is yet another cutter machine from Mutoh. So there'll be more coming in a few moments to set up these things. Alright, so here we go. Here is the machine. This is one of three that we'll be installing today. So we're going to be here for quite some time. So it's going to put the thing inside. Okay, this is the unpacking. We finish packing. Alright, so we've just finished bringing this machine up. This is the second one that we've brought up from down. That's Andy, that's Kwang, and Oscar over there getting the machine ready. Here you can see our engineers preparing these machines. The first one is going through an alignment process. So this is what we do. We make sure all the printheads are aligned correctly, the dot placement is correct, and we still have more to do over here. And this is the last machine. So total there will be a 3 of these new